Juju's in the craft room, come and see. It's Mama Juju crafting, chatting full of glee, playing her day away in her own.
Hey my chickadees, welcome back. Alright, this is our December 2024 day 16, which is December the 16th. It's a tuck spot in cheese, and it is our day 11. Day 11 of December. Okay, it is I gotta find her. Gotta find it. Okay. Here is our day 11 of December. It is a tuck spot in cheese. Okay, y'all, I was thinking cheese. Lord have mercy. Jesus, they must have been hungry when they made this plot. Okay. They was hungry when they done this prompt. Alright, so what I did was I got me a old picture from the 50s. Look at him. He looks like he's saying cheese. Look at him. Look. Alright, so I made this tuck spot, and I used an old script prescription there. And I used some of my Shabby Dabby Doodah hearts and made me a tuck spot. And I think that is Junk Journaling's numbers. And made the tuck spot and put this picture, cut it the size of a tag. It's just a regular photo, black and white photo. And I put one of Miss Deb's yo-yos she made with a button flower on it. And that is my day 11. Okay, at the end of this, you're going to see my flip through of my journal when I received it from Bonnie. I did it, and of course, you know, I had to mess up. 2025, I'm going to try not to mess up so many videos. But the volume, you can't really hear all my oohs and ahs. I'm kind of upset about it. So I'm going to do a flip through here, show you what I did, and then I'm going to include that video at the end. And probably maybe kind of do it a little fast forwarding. But this is the journal she made me, and she put Juju on here. That's so hanging, so cute. And then she made the dangle and spine. And of course, you know, we added some things to it that you saw during the December. And then she put this vintage doily on it, the lace. And she used a Reader's Digest for the cover, and one of the Tim Holtz knobs for the closure. And the bookie. It's really good. She does such good work. And this is Bonnie at Bonnie Bounties. And then inside here, she put this. And then she put the tabs there for Juju and April. It's cute, cute, cute. She put this card. Look at that. Twinkies, that's us being in trouble. And then the hello, and that came out of her yard. Out of her flowers. Then she put her pig fabric because she's all about her pigs. And then this is a napkin that she covered and made. And you know, this was our first December that we did for the swap. And that's chickens because I like chickens. Oh, she did so good. That's her dyed paper that she dyes. That's the one we just did over the graph paper that she put in. That's the tag she did with her gel print, I believe. And then that's the one she did with her gel printing. She did the sewing and made a pocket. And inside the pocket is a card and an envelope. And I believe that's a vintage card, Hallmark card. And then this is her take on the Sarah Lee Armstrong belly band pocket holder there. And she made it where you could have the tucks on the side. And that is some ledger paper. So pretty. She did such a good job, y'all. Look at that. She did so good. Then this is the one that we did, and that's the bridge picture. And on this side, she'd put the wagon wheel, and she did some stamping. That's her paper, and that's the paper clip we added. That's her center of the first signature. She did a little tab so we could put dangles and stuff on it. This is one of our prompts. I added the lace to it, I believe I did. Yeah. And there's that. That's the backs. And that is cute. She added that. The little metal pieces there. So die cut. Isn't that cute? Cute, cute. Oh my God, that's so cute. That's her jelly printing. She made the tags out of and put the... She sewed that lace on there. Oh my God, that's so cute. That's another one of her tags. The truck. Okay, that's this, and we added to this, one of the prompts, and the lace. Okay, that's a little piggy card I had bought her, and I kept that one out of it because the little piggy fell down and hit its face, and when I visited her, I fell in her front yard, so put that in there so I could have that memory when I saw that. This, you know, we put in for our prompt here. So we added that for our prompt. Oh my goodness, look at that. That's the end of the first signature and a place for my pen. And then here we have the second signature, and she did the collage. She does so good, even though she hates collages, she does so good at it. That's her dyed paper. And her copy dyed paper. Y'all need to tell her you want to buy some of that copy dyed paper. Look how well she does that copy dyed paper and her color dyed paper. She does so good. Okay, that's some more of her color dye paper. That's her Christmas page. I added that in there. No, she did that. Okay, that's her flag page. And that's her Trump page. And on her Trump page, I added that. It says, "Let's make America logical again," and it's Spock. I thought that was adorable because I just love me some Spock. And then this flips out. You have the writing spot, and then that's some stamping she did. Then you have the back of the American flag. Love that little page set with the American flag. This is the prompt that I added onto the green grid paper that she put in. And then she had the back of the Christmas page, and we added this for our prompt here as well. We added all that. That's the back of that page out of the Ideal magazine. It's more of a copy dyed paper. This was the grid paper that she put in, and we added this for our prompt. Remember, y'all, I did 25. I had 25 on the brain. Didn't even catch it. Bless my heart. Just bless me. There's that. I love the piggies. Love that farm set digital. She did. And then there's that one, and she did the stamping to it on her dyed paper. And then y'all remember this. That's the page she put in, and I put this page over it. And this is the page I did on my live with those wonderful scraps she sent me back that I had sent her. Technically, I don't think you should return scraps when somebody sends you scraps, but you know, in her defense, she did warn me. I just didn't think she was gonna do it. I'm like, she won't spend no money sending no scraps back to me. Boo me. There we go. And that. Love that. That is so pretty. That's the back of the signature, and then here's the back page. And then she put this in, and she put this collage on it. And then, of course, we put Nesbitt in there, because how could we not? And then that's the back, and the closure comes around with her beads work that she put on with the closure. And then I added the 2024 to it down there. And that was my swap journal from Bonnie. And I call her Baby Girl. I didn't know I had named her. And Bonnie asked me, what did I name? Because I name all my journals. And she asked me what her name. And I thought, well, I hadn't named her yet. And I thought, I just call her Baby Girl. And I thought, well, that's her name, Baby Girl. That's what I've been calling her since I got her, was Baby Girl. That's her name. So, all right. Thank you. And then the original flip through is at the end. All right. See y'all on the next go round. Bye.